Good morning, folks. This is Dave Coaster Dude updating on this weather. Snow. It stopped snowing finally. Alright, so look at that. It's a snow truck coming. Thank God for that. Yep, gonna go crank my car up so we can get ready for church this morning. Alright. I'll see you down there in a minute. Hey folks, this is Dave Coaster Dude again. Let you know I just got out of church and look over here and over there. All that snow, was cluttered and stuff. So I hope I get through home because I got my shovel. I'm cranking up my car now as well. All right. So I found out tonight it's gonna be very cold, 3 degrees. Like if you don't gotta go out, then don't, because it's a dangerously cold that you need to be in a warm place as well, okay? And if your kids, glad no school for them tomorrow because due to Martin Luther King holiday. So kids, stay in, stay warm with hot chocolate and everything. Like if you live in northern part of, if you live in Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York City, Massachusetts, New York, Maine, Canada, if it's below 0, stay warm, all right? And also I like to pray for everybody that stays in a warm area as well, all right? So I'll see you when we get home, all right?